I started making money online with a completely different goal in mind. And my goal was never to become an influencer. It was never to become a YouTuber. And honestly, it was never even to become an online entrepreneur. My goal was much simpler than that. I just wanted to stop feeling stuck and broke and lacking. And if you're watching this video, I have a feeling you might feel the same way. When most people hear making money online, they immediately picture posting on social media, dancing on TikTok, becoming an influencer, being super tech savvy, or starting a huge business. And for a lot of people, especially people over 40 like me, that feels exhausting before you even begin. So let me give you a different way to think about this. The internet is not a career. The internet is a tool that you can use to create a new chapter of your life. Just like a hammer isn't a house, the internet isn't the job. It's the tool that helps you build one. And when I finally understood that, everything changed. Growing up, we all got asked the same question. What do you want to be when you grow up? And what people really meant was, what job are you going to do for the rest of your life? One job, one path, one paycheck. And for decades, that worked until it didn't. Because today, millions of people are realizing something in their 40s, 50s, and 60s. Retirement isn't guaranteed, jobs aren't as stable, expenses keep rising, and starting over feels terrifying. You start thinking, did I miss my chance? Am I too late to learn this stuff? Am I too far behind? I hear that every single week. I recently got an email for someone who said, I don't like social media. I don't like posting. I don't want to be on camera. I don't even know how to use Facebook. Is digital marketing saturated? Is AI going to replace everything? Is it too hard for me? And that email honestly hit me hard because that fear is real. And it's keeping millions of people stuck and broke. Here's what's changed for me. I stopped thinking about the internet as a place where you have to become someone new. And I started seeing it as a place where you can use what you already know to create value. Money online isn't about being famous. It's about being helpful. It's about connecting products, informations, or solutions to people who already want them. That's it. And when you realize that, the internet stops feeling scary and starts feeling possible. So I decided to test a simpler path, something that didn't require building a huge brand, posting all day on social media, or becoming a tech expert. I started testing the Amazon Influencer Program. And at first, it was just an experiment, no big expectations. But over the past few months, something surprising happened. I started earning money every single month, even when I wasn't posting, even when life got busy, even when I stepped away for a bit. And that consistency changed how I see online income forever. But here's the truth most people don't say out loud. Not everyone is ready to build a digital product business. Not everyone wants to be an influencer. Not everyone wants to live on social media. But many people want to make an extra $500, $1,000, or $2,000 a month so they can breathe again, to reduce stress, or to feel secure. And there are paths online that are built for that stage, the beginner stage, the I feel behind stage, the I just need a starting point stage. And you don't have to be tech savvy. You don't have to have a niche figured out. You don't need to know social media. You don't even have to understand AI or have everything mapped out. You just need a starting point. And more importantly, you need to stop believing that you're too late, because you're not. You're early to the next chapter of your life. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by making money online, if you've ever felt like you were behind, if you've ever thought this is probably too hard for me, then this channel is going to be for you. I want you to subscribe and also leave me some comments, because in the next videos, I'm going to show you step by step how this all actually works in real life. Without all the hype, without all that overwhelm, I'm just going to show you a simple path forward. And I'm really glad that you're here. See you in the next video.